Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I'm interrupting our Chalk Couture video today just for a second to tell you about a new resource we have available for you, and it is called Chalk Live with the Chalkouts on Facebook. Now, this is a really cool site. This is a Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group that you can join where members of my team do pretty much daily live videos. So you can go and watch and be inspired by the projects they're making. And you can see all of our team members using different products. It's just a great way for if you've been buying products from us from Chalk Couture to see how even our designers use them. So I wanted to encourage you to go and join the group. You can see here, Michelle did the pumpkins. Aren't they cute? There's so many different bits of inspiration for you. Matter of fact, I want to go back to the top really quick and show you one thing. We have a schedule for when the live shows are. We try to have one every day. We're actually working on getting multiples a day because you guys are always asking for inspiration for different transfers, different surfaces, different chalks and inks. So if you come to the top of the page, when you go to our to our Facebook group called Chalk It Live with the Chalkouts, you'll see our schedule here for when our live shows go up. Now, some of this will change periodically as we add new designers that want to do live shows. Some of the designers may change their time depending on their schedule, what have you, but we will always keep this schedule updated as the picture on our group. So you'll know if you're sitting around, you're like, I wonder if somebody's live today. You can just go look and see who's live at what time so you won't miss it. So go check that out. Go join our group. We have 133 members right now, and you can come in, you can chat with designers, you can ask questions. There's giveaways in different live shows. There's inspiration galore. So go check out our new Facebook group, Chalk It Live with the Chalkouts. That's what my team is called, Maymay's Chalkouts. So go check that out, join the group, and we look forward to seeing you there. Now on to some fun chalking. Hey guys, it's Maymay, and now we are doing Christmas trees. I'm so excited about these guys. These are Chalk Couture surfaces. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're wood grain. They say Chalk Couture on the bottom, and they are one-time use surfaces. I actually like this side better, so I'm gonna flip it that way. And these guys have transfers that are made to coordinate with them. So this one will fit this one exactly, and I have one for each of the others as well. And I'm gonna do these really quick today. And I have decided that I'm going to do mine in one color, and I'm only going to do it on one side. Let me show you this. So you can put your transfer down on this side, and you can flip it over and do the other side as well. But I love how these look in white, and I have just redone my house into gray and white and black. And I'm not sure I'm gonna want them all to have pattern. So I'm leaving one side white, and I'm gonna do my pattern on the other side. Now, I have to tell you some disclaimers, and I know it's kind of a pain. I tell you what, we'll get started, then I'll give you some disclaimers. All right, this service is just as it came. That's important for you to know. In a minute, I'll tell you why I'm saying that. I am not going to fuzz my transfer. Here's the reason. This guy is super, super velvety. That's a good way to put it. It's velvety. And this transfer only sticks in these pattern places, okay? Because the extra part hangs off the side. So I'm not fuzzing it. Now, I have to tell you, I'm taking a chance with this because I have not tried this, and this may be a terrible bad decision. We will see, but that's what I'm gonna try. Not fuzzing, and I'm gonna line this guy up. This may take a minute too to get it all lined up just right. That's better. Okay, and then without fuzzing it, now this is not what Chalk Couture tells you to do, okay? I am going against the rules, so I did not fuzz that because I want it to stick down. I also did not wax it, which Chalk Couture tells you to do. They tell you to wax it first. I didn't do that, so just know if this messes up, I spent my money on it, and I'm taking a chance, okay? This color is the new grayish color, and it's perfect for my home decor. And so I'm going to do this whole thing in gray because I want that kind of rich, almost like Adirondack look, you know, with the gray and the white, how they do the one color with the white. Sometimes you'll see a red sweater that has white pattern on it. That's kind of what I'm mimicking, that one color. And this seems to be taking a lot, like more paste than I'm used to. So I'm loading this up pretty thick and just gonna run this all over. This would be super easy for you to do it in multiple colors because you could just do it like where every pattern changes. That would be easy if you wanted to have like a bunch of different colors. Like if your house is a lot of colors at Christmas, that would be easy to do. So all I'm doing is covering this guy. By the way, I have not seen this done. Like, I didn't watch anybody else do this, so I'm just doing this for you guys to show you, like, this is how I would do it. And we're just gonna hope this works out. You do have to make sure you get all the way to the edge. I don't think it'd be the end of the world if you had a little white edge, but you do want to press it, press your ink all the way out. And I noticed just then that the top lifted a little bit, because see, it's not connected anywhere. It's not sticking to anything. So I'm just trying to work my paste kind of from the center to the outside, and I think that will help. That way I'm kind of pushing my transfer down as I use it. I'm being a little stingy with my paste. You don't have to be. You can put it on pretty heavy. I don't really know why I am. I'm just trying to work it around. All right, I'm gonna pick up my excess. Yeah, check all the little points, because they're kind of hard to get it worked out to. And you see how I'm kind of pushing the transfer down. That should have done it. Feels like it did. All right, the reveal. This is the fun part. I'll come this way so y'all can see it first. Wow, it's cute. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love the gray. I wasn't sure, but I think it looks beautiful. Look at that. Well, that wasn't so bad. It peeled off easy. So my idea about not fuzzing it first was okay. The other good thing is anywhere I might have missed any, I can come back and put it on there, especially on the edges, but I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna let this one dry, and we'll do the other two real quick so you can see how they look too. I noticed that I have a little pooling right here. So I'm just gonna run my hand right on the edge and grab that. Use a paper towel to soak that up off my finger. But that, I was pretty heavy with my chalk, with my paste, so it's probably me. But that just picks up pretty easy. But look at that little tree. I think this is my favorite. I don't know. This one and the first one. Let me bring them all back so you can see them all together. So I just sat these on this chalkboard that I have in the room so you guys can see what they look like, so you can see the color better. Aren't they adorable? I love this new grayish color. This mix between beige and gray is so pretty. I can see me using this one a lot. Look how pretty that is. Love how this looks. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is super easy. It's another one of those, don't blink. Now again, these are double-sided, so you could totally let this dry, flip it over, and use the other transfers to do the back. These two here have another transfer for the back side. This one does not. This one has the one transfer. But you could do anything you wanted to, or just do another color in the swirl. Imagine this, like this year you do gray in your home, and next year you want red. Just flip these over and do them red, and it's perfect, right? So there you go, guys. Another Christmas project using our Chalk Couture products. You'll see this in my home this year. Be watching for it. My Christmas home tour, these will show up. They're super cute. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you purchase from me in the month of July, I will be sending you a free catalog to say thank you. So make sure you use the link that I include below. If you'd like to join our team, that information is below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.